In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, dependable structure your whole team can follow, so files are easy to find, track, and keep up to date. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're new to the platform or need to install it, there's a link to the website and to the desktop and mobile downloads at the very top of the description. Go ahead and grab it there so you're using the latest version. Once you're in, create a dedicated space for this system. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it File Management. Think of a space as the container for everything related to your files. Keeping file organization in its own space prevents clutter and makes it clear where assets live. You can add a description so teammates understand the purpose of this space right away. Inside that space, create folders to segment your files by type or by team. For example, make one folder called Design Team and another called Marketing Team. Folders help you separate ownership and responsibilities, and they make it easier to scale as more files and contributors are added over time. Within each folder, build a few lists to manage your files throughout their lifecycle. Create an active projects list for files currently in use, a reference list for guides, templates or other reusable materials, and an archived list for completed or older files you still want to keep. This structure makes it crystal clear what's being worked on, what's stable, and what's finished. Now add tasks to represent each file or file group. You might create tasks like logo assets, social media templates, product photography, or marketing guides. Each task serves as the home base for that asset, so it's easy to track discussions, link resources, and keep related notes in one place. To make everything searchable and sortable, add fields like priority, assignee, due date, and status. Priority helps you decide what to address first. The assignee shows ownership, and due dates keep reviews or updates on track. With fields in place, you can filter and sort lists to see exactly what matters. Set simple task statuses to manage your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Keep statuses lean and meaningful so everyone understands what each file needs next. Finally, monitor progress in list view for detailed tracking or switch to board view to drag tasks through stages. Both views make it easy to spot active, in progress, or archived work at a glance. That's it. Your clean ClickUp system for file organization is ready. Thanks for watching.